about the word problem of chapter 2. In this video, we are going to start with the same chapter and the same topic, word problems. I am writing the number 1. Question I am writing this side, okay? And our first question is, the Eiffel Tower of Paris is 330 meter high, and the tallest building of New York is of 320 meter. Then how much tall is the Eiffel Tower than that building? So now our question is, number 1, the Eiffel Tower of Paris is 330 meter high and the tallest building of New York is of 320 meter. Then how much tall is the Eiffel Tower than that building? So now we are having length of Eiffel Tower, which is 330 meter, and New York building, which is of 320 meter. So we have to find the difference between them, right? So first we can see 330 meter, which is of Eiffel Tower length, and 320 meter, which is of this tallest building length, right? Now you can justify which is big. So 330 is big than this 320 meter. So here I am writing the answer. Answer we are writing here. And first we will write length of Eiffel Tower. Which is of 330 meter, right? And second one, we are having this tallest building of New York, which is of 320 meter. So length of building of New York, we are having 320 meter, right? So we need to find difference between these two buildings. So we will do here subtraction, right? Now subtraction we are doing 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 2, 1, and 3 minus 3, 0. That means we got our answer 10. So here we can say that this Eiffel Tower is 10 meter big than this building, right? So here I am writing Eiffel Tower is 10 meter tallest than that building. That means our answer is 10 meter here. Again I am repeating. So again I am repeating. We are having two length of Eiffel Tower, which is of 330 meter, and length of building of New York, which is of 320 meter, and we need to find difference between them. So we will do here subtraction. So this 320 I am subtracting from this 330 meter. So we'll get answer 10. That means Eiffel Tower is 10 meter tallest than that building. Number 2 question is little bit big for you. In the long jump for boys, Manu had the longest jump of 3 meter and 60 centimeter. Sonu came second. He jumped 17 centimeter less than Manu. Golu came third. He jumped 3 meter and 31 centimeter. Then what is the difference between the long jumps of Sonu and Golu? Okay, in this question, again I am repeating, in the long jump for boys, Manu had the longest jump of 3 meter and 60 centimeter. Sonu came second. He jumped 17 centimeter less than Manu. Golu came third. He jumped 3 meter 31 centimeter. Then what is the difference between the long jumps of Sonu and Golu? This kind of sums already we have solved in previous exercise, right? So here this sum we are doing. So here we are having two lengths of Manu, which is of 3 meter and 60 centimeter, and we don't have Sonu's perfect length, right? So we need to find the difference between them. So we are cutting this 17 centimeter from this Manu's length, right? So first step we are doing, first we are writing here length of Manu, which is of in 2 units, meter and centimeter. So first 3 meter we are writing here and 60 centimeter here. Now we need to subtract this 70 centimeter from this first number, and this 17 centimeter is Sonu's length, but Sonu's length is less than Manu. So here we are writing Sonu's length, which is less than Manu, right? Now we are doing subtraction. From 60 we are cutting this 17, right? So here we have to take borrow number, which is 10, and our rule is we have to cut previous number and we have to put one number less of this 6. That means 5 will come here and here 3. Downside you can write 0 by yourself. Now 10 minus 7, 3, and 5 minus 1, 4, and 3 minus 0, 3. That means we are having answer 3 meter and 43 centimeter. This is the length of Sonu, right? Now, what is our next line? Golu came third. He jumped 3 meter and 31 centimeter. Then, what is the difference between the long jumps of Sonu and Golu? That means now we are having the length of Sonu and we are having length of Golu. So we need to find again the difference between Sonu and Golu. So here I am writing length of Sonu. Why? Because from this both, this 3 meter and 43 centimeter is big than this 3 meter and 31 centimeter. So this Sonu's length I am writing first. Again meter and centimeter we have to write. 3 meter and 43 centimeter. And here I am writing the length of Golu, which is of 3 meter and 31 centimeter. And we are doing subtraction here. 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 3, 1 and 3 minus 3, 0. That means now they are having answer 12 centimeter. So we can write like this way, that the difference between Golu and Sonu is of 12 centimeter. We are on number 3 and our question is, in the high jump for boys, he then jumped 1 meter 20 centimeter and Suresh jumped 5 centimeter less than him, and Mahesh jumped 1 meter and 9 centimeter. Then what is the difference between the high jumps of Suresh and Mahesh? Okay, our question is, in the high jump for boys, he then jumped 1 meter and 20 centimeter. Suresh jumped 5 centimeter less than him. That means he did. And Mahesh jumped 1 meter and 9 centimeter. Then what is the difference between the high jumps of Suresh and Mahesh? Okay, we don't have the perfect measurement of Suresh because it is given 5 centimeter less than him. That means Hiren. So first we need to find the difference between Suresh and Hiren. So we need to do here subtraction. So first step I am writing length of Hiren, which is 1 meter and 20 centimeter. Why we are writing this first? Because here just 5 centimeter is given. So this 5 centimeter we are subtracting from this 1 meter and 20 centimeter. So this 5 centimeter is length of Suresh which is less than Hiren. So we are subtracting this 5 from this 1 meter and 20 centimeter. First, we are putting here borrow number 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. And as we have discussed that our rule is one number less we have to write. So here 2 is given. So we are writing here 1. So 1 and 1. Downside there is no any digit. So you can write 0 from yourself. 1 minus 0, 1. That means our answer is 1 meter and 15 centimeter, which is perfect length of Suresh. So our second line, Mahesh jumped 1 meter and 9 centimeter. Then what is the difference between the high jumps of Suresh and Mahesh? That means we have to find the difference between Suresh and Mahesh. Now they are having length of Suresh. And just observe the length of Mahesh, 1 meter and 9 centimeter. And here difference word is given. That means again we need to do subtraction. So check the digits. 1 meter and 15 centimeter, 1 meter and 9 centimeter. This length of Suresh is bigger than this length of Mahesh. So we'll write this digit first. Length of Suresh, which is of 1 meter and 15 centimeter. And we are subtracting length of Mahesh, which is of 1 meter and 9 centimeter. Right? That means again we have to put borrow number 15 minus 9 and we have to put one number less, which is 0. Now 15 minus 9, already you are knowing the answer, right? 6. And 0 minus 0, 0. And 1 minus 1, 0. That means we are having our answer 6 centimeter only. So we can say that the difference between the high jumps of Suresh and Mahesh is 6 centimeter. The difference between Mahesh and Suresh is 6 centimeter. I hope that what I have taught you today you understand very well, and I will send the PDF to a WhatsApp group of the sums. Thank you. Have a nice day.